Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Melissa. This is Wayne Melissa Travel. I'm on this side of the camera and Wayne's on that side of the camera. Today I'm going to share with you a product that I absolutely adore. It's a company called NanoBag. I discovered this company about a year and a half ago. They make bags of this special nylon, this fabric. This little bag right here, look how small, will hold 70 pounds. This little bag, again, also will hold 70 pounds. NanoBag was kind enough to send me one of their new bags. I already had this one. This one's a sling. It's a crossbody. I put it in every single bag I own. If I'm going for the day, if I'm going for the weekend, or if I'm going for 2 weeks, one of these NanoBags always goes with me. And you can understand why. Look how tiny this is. So let me show you the sling. I have featured it in a couple of other videos, but I wanted to do a dedicated NanoBag video to thank them so much for sending me this sample. I will put links down below and you can go right to those links and purchase one for yourself. This is the sling. I chose the blue, but it comes in black, it comes in different other colors, and it also comes in fun patterns. So this is the sling. Look how small this is. I'll put it on so you can kind of see. It's great. I absolutely love it. It literally weighs nothing. So this is the one they sent me, and I'm going to open it with you for the first time. This is their 16-liter DayPack. So it's a little backpack. This is the black. Again, it comes in different colors, and it also comes in patterns. Look at this. All right, here's a zipper. It looks like it has one main zipper, so very simple. And you just load everything into there. What do I use this for? Shopping, going to the grocery store, especially when you're traveling. You pack your suitcase and your personal item, and you don't want to carry around another bag. So this one, I mean, the way it fits up so tiny into its own little attached carry bag, it's genius. These are less than $30. I believe this one's around $15, and this one's probably around $25, I want to say. So let's see what it looks like on. Okay, can you see that? Does that show up well? The size of it? I love it. I love how easy it is. There are no adjustable straps you have to deal with. There are no strings hanging down, no buckles, no snaps. It truly is a day pack. I'm gonna get great use of this. Now I have to get Noah one because this is definitely going on the Camino with us next year. So, have you heard of NanoBag? Do you have a NanoBag? Drop it in the comments if you've never heard of NanoBag. Drop it in the comments if you have a NanoBag, and which one do you have? I mean, this is that backpack. It is so tiny. NanoBag. I think it's a great value for your money, or I wouldn't have told you about it. Thank you so much for sticking with us today. If you found value in this video, we ask that you like and subscribe to the channel. Clicking the like button tells YouTube, hey, somebody else may like this. Let's show other people Wayne Melissa travel videos. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.